INOD stock analysis and price predictions. This is no BS, no fluff approach, whether I'm buying or maybe not. So I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all, and tens of thousands of dollars have been actually put into this freaking craft. Now, first thing on the list is that we got proved completely wrong. Today we just gapped down. There was no opportunity for me to just buy here because this was a gap down, you know, we completely gapped up. So in this particular instance, the only thing that I would care about is the price actually breaking with a full candle close. Nowhere near this high. I mean, yeah, of course we're gonna sometimes kind of pull down as such, and I mean, I think that we're just kind of filling in some little gaps. But if there is a confirmation and a full-on shift, then yeah, I'm looking to sure thing take things up. Randomly getting involved and buying is just not going to be happening. So yeah, I'm going to continue to keep you updated. This is not financial advice, and if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails.